In this video, I'm going to review the performance of our option trade alerts from the last week here at Stock Market Guides. On the web page here that I'm looking at, it shows our 1 week trades. So these are trade alerts that we post that are designed to last about a week. And they come from our scanner. Our proprietary scanner looks for trade setups in real time that have the strongest back-tested edge. And those are the ones that we end up posting. And what it shows here is that over the last week, there have been 7 different trade alerts that we posted, all of which ended up with a profit. They all have reached their end time or reached their profit target, and each one of these ended up in a profit. So that's a perfect 7 wins and no losses record for the last week. Let's look at a couple of these. So we can start, let's start with EWZ here. We called for an entry. We called for the September 6th expiration for the EWZ 28 strike option, called for an entry on Friday. And this one I know already. You can see right here, it was the entry was to take place at the opening bell on August the 23rd. And this right here is August the 23rd, and you can see the underlying stock price right after we posted it ended up moving up right away. And for a swing trade that's designed to last a week, this is a solid move right here. This is all it takes to be able to lock in a profit and have a nice return for the investment that you made. So this stock did exactly what we hoped it would almost immediately. And so just one trading day later, it had already reached its profit target. Let's also look at XOM. That's another one. I really liked the look of the trade setup when that trade alert came through. XOM, it called for an entry on August the 22nd, and this one also was at the opening bell. So let's go take a look. So this right here is August the 22nd. So look at the trade setup on this. There had been a lot of downward price movement, a couple of big red bars going on here. But notice that it came down to this area right here where there had been prior support right here. And so we know there's support right here and a lot of kind of, really strong downward red movement. Sometimes when there's red price bars like that, where they're big and red, sometimes they can be reflective of an overreaction. Not always, but historical research suggests that a lot of times after a big red bar, there can be a bit of a snapback effect. So we have that type of phenomenon going on, and we also have these support levels right here. And put that together, we call for an entry right here, and you can see right out of the gate, it just did exactly what we hoped it would. This one actually hit the profit target around here, and you can see it just kept going. So you could have held on for longer if you wanted to, and with any trade alert that we post, you can do whatever you want with it. You decide when to enter, when to exit, if you even follow the trade at all. But if you want to follow in lockstep with the trade alert, we map it out for you exactly what to do, which option to buy, and when you can exit it. And we said in our trade alert that you could set and exit, a sell limit order for $9.05, and that was reached on this day right here. So there you have it. That was a solid week for our option alert program. If you have any questions about our service or just about the market in general, you can contact us anytime. Our email address is support@stockmarketguides.com.